Dropping infinite values from data frames in pandas. How do I drop nan, inf, and int values from a data frame without resetting mode.use _inf_ as _null? Can I tell dropna to include inf in its definition of missing values so that the following works?
First replace infs with nan, and then drop nans via dropna. For example, the same method also works for series.
With option context, this is possible without permanently setting use _inf_ as _na. For example, of course it can be set to treat inf as nan permanently with. For older versions, replace use _inf_ as _na with use _inf_ as _null.
Use, fast and simple. This answer is based on Duger's answer in another question. Here an example code. Result.
Here is another method using .log to replace inf with nan on a series. So, in response to the original question,